Hello, Faves, and happy Mother's Day week. First of all, happy Mother's Day to all of the mommies that are out there. We are out here today at Penn's Landing, and we are going to find Barbie, my mom, the perfect Mother's Day gift. So normally I would send Barbie her Mother's Day gift, but since she's actually coming into town, I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna hold on to it and use this time, since I have a couple more days left, to give her her gift in person. So we are at Penn's Landing. There is their Spring Arts Craft Bazaar this weekend. So it is the perfect place to get a fabulous Mother's Day gift. So that's what we're here to do. So we're gonna get Barbie a gift for Mother's Day, and let's go shopping. Nothing else to be said, huh? Here we go. And not even the Ben Franklin Bridge, but look what it is. Look what is open. It's opening weekend for Blue Cross River Rink. We're totally doing this again, just so you know, this summer. Look out for that.
whoa, whoa. Let me hear ya, let me go, whoa. Okay, yeah, that's real nice. That's it. This song's called ATL, even though we in PHL.
Oh my god, I can do these. I can grab like this whole entire table. Yes. But I have these 3 things I'm trying to root and I need to put them in something. Oh my god, look at this jade. So I just killed my jade. But look at the thing it's in. I love it. I can be here all day. This ain't good. But this is supposed to it smells just like cherry too. It smells just like cherry. But it does smell like cherry water ice. It's not even just like it smells like cherry. Right. It's really water ice. It's not just cherry. Oh my god, this is awesome. Lavender and marshmallow. I was just about to smell that. I know you want it. They're made out of what?
Tapioca.
Interesting.
So it's a softwood, unlike our hard trees here.
Right.
Not the same stuff from tapioca pudding.
No.
Same plant.
Okay.
Oh.
It's not edible.
No. You don't want that. Oh my god, how cute! Aren't they? Oh my god! I love your shirt. Did you really? Oh my god! It's so crafty. Barb would actually like this kind of stuff, but she's not gonna be able to get it home on the these. These are amazing. What a brilliant idea. Oh, you know I love her. I Okay, faves, so we made it out alive. We had such a great time at the Spring Arts Craft Bazaar. Lots of really great items for mom. We got a couple things for her, so I'm excited. Hopefully she will enjoy everything that we got. You know, it's always nice if you have a arts and craft show that is near you. I mean, those are just like the perfect gifts for moms. I mean, I just always say that. I always think that, especially if your mom is like mine and just loves that kind of stuff. It is really kind of, you know, crafty and artsy. That is it. We had such a great time. So thank you so much for coming out with me today and enjoying the Spring Arts Festival. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, please click that little red button below for me. You can also follow me on Instagram, living_for_the_city. Like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. And I think that's it, babes. I will see you next week. And I hope that all of the mommies have a wonderful Mother's Day.